Wagwan, wagwan. Yesterday, guys. So right now the sunlight is in my face, but today, guys, I'm in Sydney. It's in Sydney, Australia. Big city, tall buildings, as you guys can see. I'm here with my beautiful family, my wife and my son, and today, guys, I'm going to be fishing in Sydney for the very first time. So guys, stick around for this adventure. I've never done this before here, so I don't know what it's gonna be like, but based on some videos that I've watched and the location that I'll be going, seem like good fishing spots. So, you know, stick around for the adventure, guys, and we're on a roll. Let's go. And look who we have here, by the way.
I have my boat.
Yeah, island boy, Mr. Handsome. And my beautiful wife here.
Hi guys.
Maria. Yeah, man. So
it's gonna be a fishing day for Babe.
yeah, fishing today. Yeah, man. So stick around, guys. So where we staying? Big skyscraper building, guys. Watch it, all the way up there. So yeah, boy. So let's go now. This guy's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. Oh, that's a group jogging there.
Oh wow.
Early morning jog. So the sun is out, guys, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Morning cold same way.
Babe's doing the shopping, guys. It's our shopping. Oh, there's seafood down there. Is there a seafood shop down there? Oh. Okay. We're lost then. We're not from here, so yeah. We're lost. We're looking for a bait, baits. Oh, on the screen. I know some of them are different, not up top, down the bottom.
Yeah, different machines.
Different machines, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. You good, baby? Hey, that was it, baby's things.
So we're gonna get some bait now, guys, to go fishing. So let's go in the water. Like, yeah, it's a different kind of fishing.
Cool.
So in here. Hello. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Filters.
Maybe if they have mullet, I'll try.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, squid.
Squid.
Yeah. Oh, they have balao.
Prawns.
Yeah.
You grab a bag of those?
Yeah. There's the smaller ones. They have any big ones? Like they're all the same.
Ask him.
So, you can tell they've been there for ages, eh?
Them smellier the better. You know that?
Yeah. Really stink though. Tell they're not selling that often.
Oh yeah, them ones on the bottom, that look big.
Yeah, I was looking at that too, but how do we get there?
What?
We'll work with these.
Work with them?
Yeah.
And anything else? You want to work with? You want bookies?
On a grab some sinker.
Sinkers?
Yeah.
Size.
Oh shoot, what are these? Look at these.
Yeah, you know, that's, I don't know what that is. It's
Guys,
probably
if you know what this is, let me know. It has some kind of anchor look to it. Like if you pull this and it like grips kind of way. Alright, what should I grab? Do I put them in a bag?
size 3. I don't know how much they are. Singly, maybe. Oh, there's ones down there, bags, in bags.
Oh.
Or this one in bags. Are they too small?
Too small. Because guys, we don't know where we're going to fish, like how strong is the current and all that, so we just like gonna work with something. So we take an handful and then bring it up. Maybe that's what we do.
Yeah, I think so.
Because I don't see a bag to put them in.
Alright, just have a look.
Alright, so what we'll work with is
How many? 2, 4, 6, 8,
grab
10?
grab these ones. They look a bit bigger. Maybe
Size 5.
yeah, because we're going in the ocean. So
You're not gonna snap the line.
no, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Continue on to General Holmes Drive.
Hey guys, so we're here. This is where we'll be fishing today. In this region. It's called La Perouse.
La Perouse. We've been here once before when it was like raining and just really bad weather.
Yeah, it's a nice viewpoint. People come.
Yeah.
Very busy guys. It's winter, so you don't see lots of people in the water. There's a windsurf out there. 2 of them actually. So the challenge is guys is to actually find parking, which it's very hard at the moment. As you guys can see the line of cars in front of us. So we actually come right back around looking for parking. It's quite windy, but looks good even over those places. I wonder if there's actually like ways to go around. So we found a parking guys. This van right here is leaving. And trust me guys, there's so many people over there. I even see scuba divers and all that. Busy place. Going down now guys. We have the rods here.
Hi guys.
And I have the igloos, so fishing time. It is cold and windy, so you guys probably won't be able to hear this audio good. But we're going. Oh wow, surfers. Oh guys.
Saw this bridge. We didn't walk up here, eh?
No, we didn't the last time. I think it was even more windy at the time when we came. Yeah.
Look how pretty the water down there, guys.
Yeah, it's clear and pretty,
So
man.
pretty. Oh look,
What?
is that an octopus? No, jellyfish.
Oh shit, yeah, it's a jellyfish.
It's a
You guys
jellyfish,
won't be able to
huge.
see, but it's big.
Wow, there's so many.
What?
Down there too, look, it's swimming down there. Wow.
Oh
Probably
yeah,
not-
there's one under there. See?
Yeah. Oh,
Right
yeah.
there, guys.
Probably not as pretty as the Great Barrier Reef, but
Yeah.
we didn't get to see that.
True.
Next time we go,
Wow,
we'll
it's
bird there. It's looking for food.
no, it's a diver's buoy. That's alright. Wow. Lots of tourists come here, guys. It's like a destination you have to visit. Wow.
Yeah, guys, if he's ever here, this is definitely a place full of history.
Yeah, man. And a kayak
You can
here.
come visit. And you can entry to this as well.
Oh, okay. You have to pay for that different.
I think so. It used to be for free, now it's not.
Yeah.
Any way to make money, they do. Back in my time, when I was younger, it used to be for free.
Now you have to pay.
I know you gotta pay.
That's what it says here. Wow. Interesting.
Yep.
So we're going down the stairs. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. The way of them big.
They never had this. You have to climb from down there.
Okay.
I have
Yeah.
a video of me when my sister when we were young,
Yeah.
and she was like spreading her legs to come across that like.
Okay. Yeah, come across. Careful, careful. Guys, we didn't really dress for the occasion because we never really planned for this,
And
but
you need good knees.
yeah, so we just dressed really dressy.
We
So
did, didn't we?
yeah. Let's walk up here because that look a bit slippery. The rocks, man. Oh, here, look how it's. Oh shit, step in water. The ocean. Oh, lots of people write their names and stuff there. Wow. That's fun. So guys, we're at the bait shop. This guy said he has these fresh baits, which they're called yabbies. Yabbies. So guys, we'll be trying this for the first time. They look different. I think I seen them on Back to Basic video. Yeah, so that's what they look like, guys. So apparently they're baits. So gonna try it out, guys. Yeah, man. Yabbies. Let's see what them are going with. It's kind of like a prawn, eh? Yeah. Alright, let's go. We're rigged up, guys, and we're gonna try right out here, but the waves are very unpredictable. There's some big splash come all the way up, so we just have to try to be safe here, you know.
Bring it with you. We use these first.
Yeah, they're quite soft. It seems like they don't even stay on the hook that well.
Oh, man.
So we're just trying them.
Let's try them out.
Yeah, it's our first time anyway. Alright. Yeah. Alright, guys. We are ready. Some boys out there. Oh shoot, these rocks are not nice. Shit. Some other rocks are quite slippery. Careful there, babe. Oops, oops, oops. Yeah. That's alright. This China. My first cast at Perouse. Here we go. Out there. Ah, that's a big cast. Wanna hold this one? It's very tricky, guys, so don't wanna go down there too much, so I'm gonna cast me a brag now. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh dear. Oh, look at that bird. Oh shit. It's not much line on this one. It's almost finished already. Feel bite? Yeah. Really? Is it on? Oh shit. Probably lots of probably lots of rocks down there. Oh, big wave. Probably was gonna eat.
Yeah, probably not a good idea for sure. Yeah.
the current is here, it's pushing down there. Yeah. Already guys, we got stuck. Maybe I'm gonna try the brand. Oh, big wave. Careful, don't run. Alright guys, so I'm going for my second cast. It's really bad here guys, at these waves. So baby's just up there chilling for a bit. I'm gonna try. I haven't felt a bite on my first cast yet, so let's just try guys. Actually go way out, but the current is quite strong here too. Those boys there are gonna get some big smash by those waves. So guys, I got stuck already. It's very hard to fish right here. The current is really strong. Just pull the line under the rocks.
Have you fished here before?
No, it's actually my first time. Yeah.
You good at fishing?
Kinda. You see it the first time as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We usually go down to the harbour.
Oh, okay. What you catch there?
Like, you get like the whitings, big whitings about this big.
Yeah.
We caught a little kingfish once.
Oh, nice.
Like snappers and all that.
Yeah.
It's alright, they're pretty little, but
Yeah, it's quite wavy here, current strong. Yeah, see you. My sinker fishing seems like it's not working in the current, so I'm gonna try a lure. As you guys know, I'm not good with lure fishing, but just gonna try it. Nothing try, nothing done, you know. So here we go. Shit. Oh no. It's gone in the current down there. That's not good. Are you serious? One cast on it, friggin' stuck. What? This is a big joke. It's too rough here guys, I swear. Yeah. So we're leaving here guys. Cast the lure there and I lose it instant. Yeah, so it's really rough. So we're going to another spot that looks calmer that we saw earlier. Yeah man. So we'll go back around. So we're around this side guys. Yeah. It's more calmer because the island blocks off the wind. So. Ah! Yeah. Yeah bro.
Come in the camera.
You live here in Sydney?
Yeah. Are we from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
I thought that was your name.
Huh?
I thought that was your name.
No, my name is Tyrone. What's your name?
I'm from Sydney. Ali.
Ali?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you bro.
Nice to meet you. This is my tickets, mate.
Ah, no.
Idiot. They never caught a fish.
Never.
Yeah,
Who's the lucky one here? You? You're the pro?
I'm teaching them.
Yeah? Man.
Spinner. Way catch all the fish.
So baby's out now. Going for the first kill in this calmer side. On this calmer side right here guys. This guy got something. It's a small puffer fish. Yeah, the small little puffer fish. He got so excited. First cast on this side. Not really feeling anything here guys. Very slow on the calm side. Yeah, but something steal my bait though. Yeah, but I didn't feel anything. They're very sneaky. Yeah. There's divers. I wonder why we can't catch a fish here. There's scuba diver here. They're probably down there cutting our line, taking our bait. You never know. Oh my god. And this place is have an audience if you catch a fish here, that's for sure. And you have the airport close by. Where is it? Oh,
Straight down.
yeah. Scuba divers. Not really.
Why?
The complications with it, I'm not with it.
As if she says she throws them away.
Babe's getting a bite. Got it? Stuck? Oh no. Yeah. They're so soft. I'm not using those ever again. They're very, very soft. This is definitely not good for fishing, eh? Even in balling, I would at least feel a bite.
Enjoy it now while you can.
So guys, babe take me to this new spot. And where are we, babe?
It's called Malabar Beach.
Malabar Beach.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's a bit more calmer inside because it's like a harbor. Yeah, you have the beach here and the rocks down there. So gonna try, because where we were a while ago at Perouse, we didn't really feel any bite, to be honest, guys. Like I didn't feel any bite. Be feel some like a pick.
Yeah.
So so I'll just try. Probably spend like a whole year.
Yeah.
Nothing, we just leave. So stick around, guys. So if we get stuck around here, see, I pretty much get stuck, because if you look at it, unless there's another walkway up there,
Yeah,
because it's blocks off here.
There would be a right up there.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Yeah. I see them walk through here.
Yeah, there's a lot of little
Oh wow. That's mad. But can I go through the igloo though? Can you bring this? See if we can go through. Go sideways. Let me see something. Yeah, we can fit. This is what we're doing, guys. We're going through this passage here.
My God.
Oh shit. Let me probably bring
Yeah, Carly, you go first.
bring this first. This is wicked. What? Wow, you get out through this side. That's mad. I'm gonna go from here.
Is it alright there?
Huh?
Is it okay over there?
Yeah. You can come through here, just walk sideways.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Go.
Go on. I'm right behind you. Sideway. It's wicked.
Guys, I hate claustrophobic places now.
It's not too bad.
Well, if you're bigger than me, you won't be able to fit.
That's wicked. You're good. It's just get the mad view up here. Fishing time. Feel bite, guys. So this definitely a good sign. So that one bite led to a stock line. Oh, yeah, that's something. A little bit better. Oh, I'm feeling bite. Oh no, are you serious? So I'm getting bite, the line got stuck. It's not good. Oh, it free up. Oh, I have a fish on. Right, I didn't realize I have a fish. Babe! That's crazy, I didn't even realize I have a fish, guys. Second cast did the trick. Looks like a parrot fish as well. looks like a parrot. Look.
Is that inside though?
Not sure.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Taking it.
You can tell it got bitten before.
Ooh.
Fish bit it before there. That's why it's like that.
Oh, poor Baba. Do you
Yeah.
want to leave again? Ah, fuck, it's got teeth. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Shoot. We're gonna throw this one back. First fish in Sydney. Very first fish. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Hey guys, we're gonna go back through here. Because water is down there, so we can't walk. We cannot walk there. Go through like a crab in this place. Yeah. Oh, we made it through. Whew.